Okay, top, front, of the motor at idle is still cold. I hear a ticking noise now. Okay, passenger side. Motor. Going in here in it. Still cold. I still hear that ticking noise coming from the front. Multiple ticking. Passenger driver's side. Okay, I'll get down on the bottom end of the motor, down as far as I can. I'm still at idle. It's right under the oil pan there in the front. I don't hear anything. Okay. Best thing for me to do is to get on a stool so I can reach everything, but I don't have a stool, so I'm going to try to rev it up here. I use a stick. Underneath. Yeah, that's the best I can do for now.